Hi there, students. To acquit, and I think the corresponding noun, an acquittal. Okay, so firstly we use this word to acquit in a legal sense. This is when a court of law officially decides that you're not guilty, that you didn't do it. So he was acquitted of all charges. The court acquitted him. However, most commonly we use this in the passive because we're more interested in who was acquitted rather than the person who said that they were not guilty. Okay, so at the end of the trial, he was acquitted. Yeah, he was found innocent. Yeah, he was not convicted. Okay, so to acquit. He was acquitted of a charge of theft, for example. Yeah, so to find innocent. So I guess everybody, when they go to court, wants to be acquitted. They want to be absolved, to be exonerated, to be exculpated. Yeah, a not guilty verdict means that you've been acquitted. I was acquitted on all counts of fraud. Okay. We also use the word to acquit, particularly to acquit oneself, meaning to behave normally in a satisfactory way in difficult conditions. Normally, I think he acquitted himself very well. My team acquitted themselves very well during the match. I think normally to acquit oneself well, it normally goes with well or something that says that you've done it in a good way. So he acquitted himself very satisfactorily in the exams. He acquitted himself badly. I guess it's possible, but this is normally used in a positive sense, because I think you are proving that you are that the criticisms made about you are wrong. Yeah, so any criticisms that might be that he's not a good player, he's not on form, but he acquitted himself very well. He showed that he was completely innocent of these charges, and I think that's the idea. Okay, so he acquitted himself in a very gentlemanly manner. Yeah, he conducted himself in a satisfactory way. Okay, he effectively freed himself or cleared his reputation of any criticism. Yeah, so he acquitted himself admirably, though other people thought that he wasn't going to do. Yeah, he acquitted himself excellently in his presentation and made a lot of sales. I think this is probably a little bit, well, both meanings are fairly formal. I don't think I would use the noun an acquittal. His acquittal of himself was to a high standard. I guess you could, but I think I would use the noun an acquittal only in the legal sense. Okay, so to acquit. To find innocent in a court of law, to acquit oneself, to behave well, to behave admirably, to behave in an acceptable way in a difficult situation. Okay, so to acquit. I think formality, let's see. A legal acquittal, to be acquitted legally. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. I think informally he was found innocent. He was not found guilty. a not guilty verdict, more informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or above. An acquittal, his acquittal, 6.5 informality again. Let's see. As to origin, okay, there's was a Middle English word, acquitten, to repay money that's owed, yeah, to redeem a security, to clear a debt, yeah, and that itself comes from French, which comes from Latin, acquittare, to settle a debt, from ad, to, and quittare, to free. So I guess this is to freedom of a debt. Okay, so to acquit, to declare innocent, or to acquit oneself reflexively, to behave and conduct oneself well, to do what you were supposed to do, to perform your part. The the soldiers acquitted themselves very well in battle. I guess the player acquitted himself quite poorly. I guess you could use it poorly, but I think most commonly to acquit in this sense is positive. So, enough. I think I've acquitted myself fairly decently in this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To acquit.